Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today is FlyLady Baby Step Day 11. So today we're going to spend 15 minutes, set our timer, and spend 15 minutes writing down things that inspire us, quotes that inspire us and motivate us. FlyLady calls this the inspirational page, and we're going to add it to our control journal. And so the control journal really is going to become something that we reference and refer to and look at every day throughout the day. So this is a perfect reminder when we're having a rough one, when we're feeling kind of down that day, to look at those things that motivate us and inspire us, and to kind of be rejuvenated and to bring a little bit of joy. So really think about the things that you want to add there. Really think about the things that inspire you and motivate you, and add those to that page. And obviously it can be a living document. It does not have to be perfect right away. It doesn't even have to be perfect later on. But it will become something that will help to lift your spirits when you need it. So I'm going to be adding that to my control journal today, and I hope that you would do the same. Once you do that, please go over to my Instagram at Carlin Wilson and let me know how the challenge went for you. And share with me what was one of the quotes that you added. And share with me what was one of the quotes that you added to your inspirational page. And share with me what was one of the quotes that you added to your inspirational page. Click the link below. I have a calendar there that you can print and follow along with all the 31 days of baby steps. Subscribe as well so you can follow along with the baby steps here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.